Hey folks, Jennifer Gardner-Mendez here. I wanted to help walk you through how to turn in your book order for this semester. So we are piloting Follette online book ordering this semester at the Los Banos campus. To get to the online book order form, you want to click on your Canvas link first and get logged in. And I'm on the school's internet, so it's a little slow. Give it a minute. I feel like I should have the Jeopardy music in the background as I wait. Okay, so we're going to log in. And on the left-hand side, you'll see a link that says Follette Discover. You're going to click on that. Now, if the Follette Discover page doesn't immediately load, it may be because your pop-up blocker is on. And so if your pop-up blocker is on, it should be an option at the top of your screen to essentially allow pop-ups for, has an option in there to allow pop-ups for this site. So you want to choose that. Well, I've noticed on my laptop, once I choose it, that it stops popping up that question. The pop-up blocker question keeps popping up. So it should only have to do it once. I'll take you, whoops. Let me move this just a second here. I'm in the screencaster. Oh, come on, here we move it. Okay, that'll take you to your dashboard, okay? In your dashboard, you wanna make sure you're in the right term. So spring 2023, the book, the semester that I'm looking for to order my books. And if it says like fall when you log in, then you have to change to spring and you have to click update. And then it will allow you to choose books from like your previous semester. So if it's a course that you regularly teach, that'll have the option in there, like it'll have adopt existing course textbook and you can choose that. But if not, you'll have to essentially click this discover for this course, and then you can put in a search for the ISBN number for the course that you do want to adopt. And I would suggest using the global search option. There was two search options in there. The first one, it's not showing it here, but was down here on this side of the screen. And I tried that and it didn't work. It didn't pull up the textbooks I wanted. So it had an option next to it that said use the global search. And once I clicked that, then the search function went up here at the top. And I found if I put my ISBN code in here that it did pull up the book that I wanted. And then once the book was up and listed, oh, here's the one. This one right here where it said to use this one, it didn't work. So that's when I ended up using the global one at the top. Then it found my book. But just to let you know, once you choose the book, then you'll say adopt. There's an option that you click on it that says adopt. And then if you go back to your courses, it should list the book initially as pending. So like for like 5-10 minutes, the book that I chose for History 23 was listed as pending. And then I don't know who checks it, but at some point it then changes it to adopted. There are a couple of things that I found that didn't work well with this online system. So one of them is that when you choose a book, it's got the ISBN number sometimes that for both the digital and the hard copy of the book. And when you choose the book, it doesn't let you specifically note in there which version of the book that you are adopting. So my recommendation is when you're all done with your books, choosing them all, that you come back up to the top and you use the message center right here. And you click on this button that says Contact Campus Store. And the subject line, this goes to Blanca Torres, who's our bookstore manager. At the subject line, I would say, just put your name and the semester and note that you are verifying your book submission type. And then in the book or in the text editing box here, I would actually list, like if you're going to use all ebooks, just put in there, dear bookstore, I want to use all ebooks for the books that I adopted for this semester. Or if it's all ebooks but one, except for one course, then note in there, I'm using all ebooks except for this course. However, whatever wording works the easiest for you, right? I mean, obviously, it's simple if you're using all ebooks except for one. Just put all ebooks except for one course, and then list the course section that you want the hard copy, right? So you want to send that through the message system. Now, the message system, when Blanca replies, the reply should go to your college email account, not into this messaging system. I asked because I thought, how obnoxious to have to come back to the message center every time to see if the bookstore got back to us. But she said that's not the way it works. She makes sure she emails the response directly to our college email. Also, one more quick note. What you can, if you've got multiple sections of a course, like say, like I've got 3 sections of a History 17B, and I want to essentially manage my book selection by course or by section number. So like maybe I'm going to use one textbook in 2 of my courses and a different textbook in a 3rd section. You can actually choose this option, and then you can separate out your section numbers and specify what book you want to use in which section number. I would imagine most of us, once we adopt books, are adopting them for, say, all of our course sections for a semester, but just in case you need that option, please note it is in there. If you have any additional questions, don't email me because I am not the bookstore expert. I'm just your lead faculty trying to help you out. Instead, you want to message Blanca, and you can either do that through a personal email, and Margot will include her email address in this reminder email, or you can do it through this message center right here at the top. So either one of those works. Okay, I hope I covered all the bases. Good luck. We are piloting this. I hope it goes really well. Thank you for your time and your energy and your effort this semester.